Okay, as you can see, I do have my speakers mounted in the enclosure, and a lot of people, I've gotten emails from folks asking, where do I solder my wires to? So, this little white pad right here is going to be your solder point. You want to tin that, and then you can attach your wire right there and over here. And this is your negative side. This is going to be your positive side. See, the red wire indicates here that that's positive, and the black is going to be your negative. And these are a 1 watt speaker. So if you're using our single enclosure, you would go into your CVs for your sound, and on your master volume, you would cut that in half. So that will not destroy the speaker if you're using a 2 watt decoder, such as the Tsunami Econami or the Tsunami 2s. They put out 2 watts of power, so a single watt speaker, you need to reduce your volume. All right, let me go through and finish soldering this up, and we'll be back. Here's our SD40 with the shell on, and it sounds pretty good to me. There again, I haven't changed any of the factory settings. So it's a Tsunami 2 EMD2 decoder once again. And thank you again for watching, and look us up. Sugar Cube Audio 65 on eBay.